Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use styles on Microsoft Word. Styles is one of the features of Microsoft Word that not too many people know how to use. I myself have been using Microsoft Word since 2015 and I didn't know what styles were used for until about a year ago. So there are many benefits of using styles in Microsoft Word, so I'm going to show you right here. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So here I am on Microsoft Word. I have a document right here that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So as you can see right here, I have a lot of headings on the document and I don't like the way the headings are looking, so I want to format the headings. So I can simply just highlight the headings, change the font and font size, the colors and many other things. So I have to do that on all the headings right here. So I have to continue the process, but there are a lot of headings on this document and that will take my time. So to do that very fast, this is where the styles come in. So what I'm going to do here, so first of all, I'm going to highlight all the headings. So I'm going to hold down my control key and I'm going to highlight them one after the other. So now I'm done highlighting all my headings. So the next thing to do is to go over to my styles section right here, and then I'm going to click on heading 1. So when I click on heading 1, you see that heading 1 formats are applied to all the headings on the document. So if you click on the more button right here, you get to see all the styles. So we have heading 1, heading 2. Heading 1 is used for the main headings on the document, just like this ones. Heading 2 are for the subheadings under the main heading. For instance, I have the United States as my main heading right here. So if I have another heading under the United States heading, I'll have to call that, or I have to apply the heading 2. So it's basically main heading, heading 1, subheading, heading 2, subheading, heading 3, subheading, heading 4. So you get the vibe. So because these are just main headings, I'm going to apply the heading 1 to 8. So that's how it works. So right now, as you can see, all my headings are in the heading 1 format. So what if I don't like the format of this heading 1? Let's say I don't like the font size, I don't like the font, I don't like the color. You can change that by going over to the heading 1 button right here, and then you're going to right click on it. When you right click on it, you're going to hit on the modify button. When you hit on the modify button, this window is going to come up. So right here you can change your font. So I'm going to say Arial Black right here, and then you can also change the font size, and then you can make it bold, italics, you can underline it, and here you can change the colors. So I'm going to say red right here, and you can also change the alignment of the headings. So when you are done formatting right here, you are going to click on your OK. So after clicking on OK, you see that the formats are applied to every heading on the document. So whatever changes you make to the headings right here will apply to every part of the document that reference the heading 1. So as you can see, styles helps you save time. It helps you get work done easily and fast. So another benefit of using styles is when you want to create a table of content. So let's say, for instance, I want to create a table of content for this document. So I'm going to create a new page for my table of content. So meanwhile, I have a video already on how to create a table of content for your document. So if you want an in-depth explanation, you can go check that out. So right here, I'm just going to run you through the basics. So I am going to create a new page right here. And then I'm going to go to the top of the page. And I'm going to go over to my references ribbon right here. And then on the left end of the screen, you are going to see the table of content button. So when you click on that, you are going to see different automatic table of contents. So we have automatic table 1, automatic table 2, and manual table. So I'm going to click on the first one right here. So as you can see, Microsoft Word has automatically created a table of content for my document, taking advantage of the styles that are applied to my headings. So that's another benefit of using styles. It helps to create table of contents in a matter of seconds. So it saves you time of going through your document, trying to create a table of contents manually, which might not even be accurate. So like I said, I have a video on how to create a table of content for your documents. If you want an in-depth explanation, you can go check that out. So one more thing I'm going to show you right here. So when you go over to your view ribbon and then you check this navigation pane, on the left hand side of your screen, you see the navigation pane open. So right here, you can navigate to any part of a document using this navigation pin. So let's say I want to go to the Pakistan section of my documents. So I can click on Pakistan right here and it will bring me right in front of the Pakistan section. So what if I want to go to Tunisia? I can hit on it right here and then here you have it. So that's it right there. So I am able to do this because of the stars I applied to the headings on my documents. So one more thing before I go. So I'm going to close this right here. So if I go over to the design ribbon right here and I hit on any of these themes right here, you see that the theme applies to every part of the document that references the styles format. So you can see all the headings are changed. So if I hit on this one right here, same thing happens. So you have a bunch of themes right here. So right here you can change colors. You can also change the fonts. So that's it right there, guys. That's how to use styles on your document. So one of the benefits of styles is that it saves you time and it also helps in the aspect of accuracy. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you and I will see you on the next one.